What up, gang? What's going on? Welcome to the Shortcut, part of Smart Rapper, just to get guys know. Now, this is a strategy that I believe that everybody's going to start using, and it's a strategy that I made up, and I've actually been wanting to use this for a very long time, and it just seems so incredibly smart. And I feel like I want to share it with everybody so that they can start utilizing it this year and it can change the music industry. Sure. So, here's what the strategy is. Basically, what the strategy is going to allow you to do is you're going to be able to gain fans a lot faster. You're going to be able to keep fans longer. You're going to be able to spread a lot faster, and you're going to be able to have a regular, recurring stream of music consistently, just boom, 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 new music, with no issue, no pressure on you, and also know that you're appeasing and keeping all of your fans happy. So think about this. If you ever had this happen, you release a song and some of your fans go, oh, this isn't my kind of song, I like that other song you made, right? You ever had that happen? I have, right? For example, if you make a girl song and you release it, I mean, the guys, they're not really gonna mess with it. The guys they want a banger, they want like they want this, whatever you make, whatever, maybe they want the street stuff. And then other people don't even like the bangers, and they don't like the girl songs. They like the songs that are more real talk. They want the ones that are like emotional, you being in your feelings, and so they can relate to you. So you gotta realize there's different audiences of people, all right? And if you study marketing, you'll learn that really quickly. There's not just different avatars or sets of people, there's actually specific sets of people who resonate with specific things, okay? Like, for example, some people resonate with comedy more, right? There's a large percentage of people for the entertainment aspect, and then there's a portion of people who really resonate with emotional content. And then there's smaller ones, people that resonate with things that are controversial or anti something, anti this. There's a lot of different ones, okay? And when I learned these things about marketing, that's what I really thought about. I was like, listen, if I can make sure that everything that I do hits across all of this entire spectrum every time, well, I'm gonna make sure that I really appease every one of these fans. Because if I release a song and a fan was ever like, this isn't my kind, I like this other one, then I'd feel like, damn, I need to release another one of those songs just for this person, because I don't wanna have any fans of mine not be happy or wanna be listening. And let's say that you release a song this month and it's emotional, and next month it's a banger, and now what happens? Well, now the girls are missed out, and they're like, well, where are the girls' songs at, right? And then they stop listening to you, they go listen to somebody else. So my strategy that I came up with, that I'm gonna start utilizing, is like this. I consider it Rob Level's triple threat strategy, okay? Now what this is it's a triple threat. Now what did I just say? I said you had emotional songs, which the real talk, super real talk ones in your feelings, so people can really relate to you. You have the girl songs, right? Which guys like those too, depending how you make them, and girls like them. Your best bet's to make girl songs that kind of also can be from a guy's perspective, so the guys like them as well, even though they're a little bit female, right? Lastly, you don't wanna have that banger. Then what you're gonna wanna have is the banger song, which is the one that's just the damn, that's all, right? So more the one that's just maybe aggressive, it's street, it's club, whatever kind of music that you make. Now you have these three types of songs, and obviously there's other kinds of songs aside from those, but these are the three primary ones that I've chosen because it covers the largest amount of the demographics. It covers the most amount of the people that listen to music, okay? You're gonna hit all of these different areas. Now what you're gonna wanna do is, every month, what you're doing, if you have these three songs and it covers most of the entire demographic of the audience of people that listen to music, doesn't it make sense that instead of releasing one and disappointing other fans, that instead you actually release all three at the same time every time you release a song, okay? And what this does is this, everybody talks about, you can release a song a week, and that will work for some people, won't work for other people, okay? Well, this is the strategy. It's every month, top of the month, you release a new small little EP, and it's only 3 songs, right? One a month, okay? Which is not that many songs. It would be the equivalent of 2 projects a year at the end of the year. 3 songs times 12 would be 36 if you had, 2 18-song projects, right? And you should be releasing at least 2 projects a year anyways. But in this way, your fans have an expectation of what's gonna come on the first of the month. Okay, so on the first of the month, they're like, he's gonna release 3 new songs. Here's what's amazing. You pitch it to them too. You say, listen, every time I release one of these, there's gonna be one of these songs for all of y'all. So every month, the girls know they're gonna get a song. The emotional people know they're gonna get a song. And then the people who love the bangers, they know they're gonna get a song. And usually the emotional and the girls usually love the banger as well, because the banger's the banger. The banger's the hit one, right? So instead of releasing a song a week, you're releasing 3 songs a month. So instead of releasing 4 songs a month, which would be 1 a week, you only have to release 3. It's basically you releasing a small project every single month. How smart is that? Because every single time, somebody's not gonna be like, I don't know if he's gonna have a song on there that's good enough. They're gonna be expecting and know, because you're gonna pitch it to them. This song is for this one. I'm gonna release 1 song for the ladies, 1 song for this, 1 song for this. They're gonna know every month there's gonna be one of those songs that's for that type of person, for them, right? So that's another reason to incentivize them to come out and go get your song. Every month, you're gonna have one. Every single month, you're gonna have one small project. If you're telling me you can't make 3 songs a month, my friend, you lost your mind. You should be making 3 songs a week.
I can't do it!
I'm doing that easy. Some days I do that, and I'm also working full schedule. Like, you guys can easily do that. I've been wanting to share this with everybody because this is very unique. It's very special, and I truly believe that this is something that if every artist adopts this, they'll really start gaining some real momentum. So think about that. And I felt like when I told everybody about this, anybody who's intelligent, they would go, that's smart, because I don't have to think about releasing a song a week. This is basically like releasing a song a week. So you get to release 12 less songs a year, and your fans are always going to expect something new. And also what this does is it works as like basically as an accountability partner, and it holds you responsible for releasing 3 new songs. So another additional benefit is you're gonna get good at making these types of songs across the map. So you're gonna get better at girl songs, you're gonna get better at making bangers, and you're gonna get better at making emotional songs because you have to. So instead of focusing on like, I only make bangers, you're gonna have to make these other songs because you have to make them for other people. You have to make these other types of songs. And I know how you feel. I don't like having to make girl songs. I don't make them because I'm not like a lovey-dovey person. I don't fall in love anymore. After I went to jail, caught 2 felonies over a girl, and I was like, I'm done with this shit. I'm done. Don't care anymore. So like, you've been in love. As soon as you're done with it, I'm done. Then you fall in with somebody else. I was like, no, I'm done. After that, I was like, I'm done. This is not happening to me again. I'm an idiot. I'm not doing that. Too passionate. But that's the thing, is you can utilize this. You have to make those girl songs. And you gotta get in your feelings. Sometimes you guys don't want to. You need to start writing that real talk stuff. And if you don't know how to do these things or make storytelling songs too, that's random. And don't forget, it doesn't only have to be 3 songs. It can be 5 songs. You got extra songs, throw them in there. Let's go. Hit people with them. Only 3 to 5 songs. Once a month. If you tell me you can't do that, you're not serious. Because you can do that in 1 week.
You ain't lying.
And here's what you do to really be good to go. All you really need to do is you actually, listen to me. You make 9 songs right now. You're 3 months ahead. That means you have 3 months to make another 3 songs. It's only 3 songs. If you have 12 songs, you're 4 months ahead, right? Guys, you make 18 songs right now. If you have 18 songs right now, you're 6 months ahead. You have all that time. And just organize them in pieces of 3 and then drop them, put them out. Most you gotta do is make a cover art. You put them up. If nobody's listening, well, you have 1 month. You have an entire month to market the one that you just released, as well as an entire month to prepare and prep everybody else for the next one. And the whole thing is this, it's momentum. If you only gain 10 listeners, good. Who cares? You gain fans. That's all that matters. All that matters is that you're gaining fans at all. If you're marketing, you will. Everybody always stops releasing music, or they get like sad when they don't see the results, like because they compare themselves to other people and how many fans they have. You don't know how long they were working in the background, how many songs they released, stuff like that. The baby released 13 projects before he popped off. 13!
Let's go!
How many of you released? Think about it. So what you need to do is make these songs, start dropping them. This is the Rob Level triple threat strategy. Never seen anybody else talk about this. It's simple, it's easy, it's 3 songs. You can do it quick as hell. And if you don't know how to make a bunch of songs, I can make 20 songs in a day. Like 20 song outlines, stems, melodies written, organized, good to go. And I have the proof. It's in my songwriting course. 20 in a day. In the course, I actually did 24 in that day.
God damn.
Proof right there. The course is 20 hours long because I go really massively in depth. Like, you could just watch the first section of the course and be like, okay, I know how to do this now. Because it took me almost 15 years to find the exact process. I've written songs with platinum songwriters, I've written songs with people who've won numerous Grammys. I just know the process, guys. And I give you the templates, I give you the mixing course, I give you melody training, I give you a bunch of all these other things that you need to really make songs. You guys need to get your hands on this, okay? It's just a game changer, man. It's a game changer. Either way, even if you don't, make your own songs, right? But it's an option, so you guys can go below. And just for checking it out, I'm gonna give you a checklist and a cheat sheet for how to write hit songs, okay? The things that you need to know that's gonna make your song a hit, I'll give it to you 100% free in the description below. So just for going to the page and checking out my songwriting course, you're gonna get that cheat sheet and that checklist for free, okay? So I hope you guys understand how smart this triple threat strategy is, and I hope to start seeing artists use it, and I hope to start seeing artists pop off from it and be like, boom, 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 3 songs, 3 songs.
All right.
Because it's easy, guys. It's easy. Anybody can do this, seriously. Okay, if I could do it, and if you had enough drive to watch this far into the video, I know you have what it takes to do that, because you're serious. You watch this far into the video. You listen to me talk for this long because you care. That means you care enough about your stuff and you're learning. Okay, so link's gonna be below. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Go ahead and hit me with a like, and if you have any questions, make sure you comment below, because that's where I answer the questions. In addition to that, make sure you subscribe to this channel and you subscribe to Smart Rapper and Smart Beatmaker, because I'll teach you how to make beats too. Because I make beats for my songs, or at the very least, I'm always involved in adding productions to them, and you can do the same thing for yours. Even if you don't make the whole beat, you can learn how to add production to your beats and get a credit for production on every song, because I make sure that I do, because every song needs a little bit of spice from you as an artist, right? It's like because somebody else could be rapping on the same beat, but if you add your own sounds and things that make you unique, well, now it becomes more uniquely you. And that's why it's very important to add your own production. And if you don't know how to do that, I can teach you. And you don't need any producer skills, right? I don't have any, but I know how to do it. It's so easy. I'll show you in the courses. Anyway, tons of stuff. Description below. I hope the strategy helps you guys out. Either way, I'm gonna get here in the gym. My trainer's looking at me weird. Keep hustling, gang. You got this. I believe in you. It's our year. Keep hustling. I'll see you at the top. If you're seeing this right now and you haven't heard about the music industry shortcut, what the are you doing? There's a reason why I've been able to help literally millions of artists. I have artists like Lil Nas X thank me. I spent years building something.
I watch this man every day. His tips work on God. I love you, man. You help a lot of people out here, bro. It's just so amazing that I met you, bro. I love you, bro. For real, man. It's just to meet you, bro.
And you learn every single week. Nothing like this has ever existed because nobody could have built this. I'm an artist, and I teach other artists what I learn as I go. Click this video and go check out what I'm talking about. You need to check out the Music Industry Shortcut. It's the fastest growing community for the music industry, period. I'm pushing this so hard, you have no idea. I already have the #1 educational platform in the music industry, and now I've built this for the music industry. I'm Rob Level. Click this video and go check out the Music Industry Shortcut. It'll take you to the next level. Pun intended.